Canadian GST model. So we are going to discuss about the tax structure which is prevailing in the country of Canada. Indian GST was influenced by various countries' GST model. We all know France was the first country to implement GST. Canada is a country in the northern part of North America. It has 10 provinces and 3 territories. World's second largest country by total area, Canada is a parliamentary democracy and constitutional monarchy. With a monarch and a prime minister who serves as the chair of the cabinet and head of the government. Canada's federal structure decides government responsibilities between the federal government and the 10 provinces. In Canada, GST is collected on the final sale of goods or services. Taxes are levied in Canada based on the region, that is, provinces. As we know, in India, we have 5 slabs of rate, and rates are decided on goods and services. But whereas in Canada, the rates are depend upon the place where the consumption takes place. In the sense, the taxes are based on the provinces. GST is a common tax which will be levied by the federal government in all the provinces. Thus, it becomes a federal tax at a common rate also. In all the provinces, some are inclusive and some are exclusive of goods and service taxes. In addition to GST, some provinces also collect the additional taxes, and it's called by name PST, that is nothing but provincial sales tax. Thus, in provinces where it is exclusive, that means it goes with the structure of GST and PST. By the combination of GST and PST, it is called as HST, that is nothing but harmonized sales tax. In some provinces like New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Ontario, to mention some, and in other it is inclusive GST. That means they don't go with the separation like GST and PST. These provinces don't apply GST and PST separately, but they levy one rate on all the transaction, and that is HST. Other than PST and HST, there are 2 more provinces. As I already said, there are 10 provinces, out of which the 2 provinces like Quebec and Manitoba, they go with their own kind of taxes. That is, in Quebec, they levy Quebec sales tax. In Manitoba, they go for retail sales tax. It is with the same structure of GST plus QST and GST plus RST. Now let us look into the matter of the registration norms. Registration is mandatory for GST collection. In Canada, there is a threshold limit of $30,000 per annum turnover. If it exceeds, business entity must register under the relevant act, and that is concerned with GST and HST. Once after the registration, they are issued with the business number, and every invoice must display the same. In India, we have GST IN. Now let us look into the matter of the rates as concerned. As I already said, there are certain kind of rates depend upon the provinces. If you are going with the HST, then there is only one rate, and if you are going with the structure like GST plus PST. Now for example, in Ontario the rate is 13% and sales is within Ontario. That means the transaction is subjected for only 13%. The HST rates in the some main provinces, New Brunswick it is 15, Labrador it is 13, Nova Scotia 15, Ontario 13%, Prince Edward Island it is 14%. So in these provinces there is only one tax called as HST, harmonized sales tax. Now let us look into the certain other provinces where GST is 5%, and in addition to that the provinces will collect their own respective provincial taxes. For example, Manitoba, if we take into consider, where RST is there, so for them 5% GST plus RST at 18%, so altogether it will be around 13%. And they too have the classifications like taxable and non-taxable goods, and they have only three classifications like taxable, zero rated and exempted. So zero rated are the goods which will be taken into consideration when transaction takes place, and exempted are certain kind of services and certain essential goods. Thank you all.